Hello guys and welcome back to another course of our class about Python. So in today's class we are going to write our first lines of code, and to help you get an initiation to Python we are going to write down the first, the most basic app possible, which is the Hello World app. So to be able to write it down we will use a function which is the print function. So let's start out. So until now, what we've done, we've installed the Python and our text editor, which is PyCharm or any other text editor that you guys have. And what we want to do now is simply go on our project, click on New, and we'll open up Python file. So when it's done, the next thing that you guys want to do is open up a Python file, and you can give him a name. Let's name it project 1. When it's done, simply click on enter. Alright, so right now you have your Python text environment, so you can write down the codes that you want. So as I said, the first thing that we are going to write will be our Hello World app. So very simple. How we write it down: the first thing, we write down our function, which is the print function. Then we open up parentheses, and we open up those two little commas. So what we'll write down inside of our print, as I said, we'll write down our first app, which is Hello World. Alright, when our first line of code is written, right now it's time to run it. So if you want to run your first app, it's very simple. You can click here, which will run the project, or you can run your project from there or here. So in my case, I have a few project ones. So here we go. I just ran my app, and as you can see, this is the answer. So if I run again, as you can see, my answer is Hello World. So what's happening? This is, first of all, this is the console, and here I'm writing my code. So this is the place where I will write down my code, and right here, this is where I will write. This is where the code will be generated. So here I have my answer to my code, and here is simply my code that I write down. As you can see here, I wrote down my function. So I have my function print, and then I have what I want to print, and in this case I want to print Hello World. And as you can see here, I just printed this first app. So that's it for this course, guys, and see you all in our next class.